Hi everyone, I'm Mercy from A Biosciences. In this video, I'll show you how to perform differential expressed gene analysis in OmniAnalyzer Pro. This video includes the introduction of differential expression, correlation, and marker gene functions. For other functions, please refer to the corresponding part of downstream analysis tutorial videos. The differential expression function is a powerful function that supports the analysis of differential expression of specific gene or gene sets among the cell cluster. Various ways of visualization are available, such as box plot, Welling plot, and heat map. For example, we can choose box plot as the plot type, input genes of interest, or choose the list built in the previous analysis and click on Run to draw the plot. The average gene expression will be shown. F statistic under the title is used for each gene or gene set to determine whether it is differentially expressed in all cell groups. The smaller the p-value, the more significant the differential expression of the gene or gene sets. For single-cell data with metadata or sample data, subgroup by may help users perform two-level differential expression analysis by flexible metadata selection. The embedding and marker gene models are also equipped with subgroup by, and the operation is similar. Choose one group of metadata as the subgroup in the drop-down list. Click on Display by Subgroup will show the plot by subgroups. Users can choose the total number of subgroups in Subgroup In, and select the clusters for each subgroup in the corresponding drop-down list, and the name of each subgroup can be edited. Input gene or gene set, and click on Run to perform differential expression analysis by subgroups. The operation of drawing other plots in differential expression is quite similar. Notably, Welling plot can show the gene expression distribution among different cell clusters. In static plot, choose Stat to show the distribution of multiple genes among different cell clusters in one stacked Welling plot. Dendrogram can show the distance between cell groups in hierarchical clustering on the top of the graph. The axis can be swapped by clicking on Swap Axis. Dot and matrix heat map are both available for visualization. Choose the way of various visualization and export the publication-ready plot for your research. The correlation interface provides gene pairwise scatter plot, correlation heat map, and similar gene query tool, which is helpful for researchers to explore the relationship between specified genes or gene sets. Scatter plot is used for visualization of genes or gene sets correlation. The smaller the p-value, the more significant the correlation. Enter gene or gene sets in signature A and signature B. Then click on Run to generate the scatter plot. Select Density as plot type will display the correlation density graph. Similar genes query tool can be used to explore genes with similar expression pattern to the gene entered. 100 candidates are provided. The list can be sorted by Pearson correlation coefficient or p-value. Click on Export to export the whole list. Heat map and gene-wise similarity graph are available to display pairwise correlations between genes and clusters. Input gene set of interest, and click on Run to get the plot. SVG formatted images can be downloaded by clicking on the icon. The marker gene function is used to analyze the genes that are significantly differentially expressed between the specified groups. Paired difference test is used to analyze marker genes between two groups, and ANOVA is used to analyze differentially expressed genes between multiple groups. The paired difference test section supports the analysis of differentially expressed genes between two given groups. T-test and Wilcoxon test are available to be chosen as the algorithm. The smaller the p-value, the more likely this gene is a marker gene. Then choose comparison type and the clusters to be compared in the drop-down list of Group A and Group B. Then click on Run to generate the result. There are two plot types available, Scree and Welling. The right and left part of the Welling plot represent the expression differences of genes in Group A and Group B, respectively. Click on Table to show the marker gene list. The marker gene list can be queried by cluster name and gene, and filtered by setting threshold of p-value, q-value, and log FC. For example, after clicking on Cutoff, you can choose one type of statistical values and enter the threshold. Then, click on Run to filter the list. The marker gene list can be exported through the Export button, and these genes can be applied to geo-enrichment analysis by a simple click on Use these genes for gene set analysis, which will be introduced in the next part of the tutorial. Click on Volcano Plot to show the upregulated and downregulated genes in the specified cell group compared with another cell group. Genes pointed out in the volcano map can be entered and selected in the input box of gene signature. When choosing ANOVA as the analysis method, the top 100 DEGs among all the selected cell clusters will be shown in tables, and the order can be sorted by F-value or P-value. The list can be exported by clicking on Export button. This is the first part of downstream analysis in OmniAnalyzer Pro. Thank you for watching.